In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can be able to start an online business, and with AI tools, it's going to be so easy. And towards the end, I'll share with you the number 1 skill that you need to be able to run any of these 3 types of online businesses. And I have been running my own online business since 2011, and I can tell you it is much easier for you to start today because of the AI tools that are there. And I'll share with you 1 tool that is just going to change the way you look at online businesses. Out of these 3 ways of setting up an online business, the first one I'm going to share is the one which might look a bit more complex but still doable, and then I'll go to the simpler one, the second one, and the third one is the most simple that you can start even without any kind of even investment or capital, right? So let's go to number 1. The first way of setting up a successful online business is to find an area that you are an expert in. And I'm just very cautious how I use the word expert. I don't mean you need to have a lot of education, certifications, and be a professor in that area. No, as long as you're knowledgeable in a specific field and you're at least 1 step ahead of others, then you can be able to monetize that knowledge and set up an online business. This is what I mean. Just think of some of the experiences that you have gone through. Maybe parenting, maybe relationships, maybe your career. You are a teacher, and so you have learned how students learn best. You can be able to monetize that knowledge. You might be a student who did a certain exam and you passed. Then you start teaching other students how they can best revise and prepare for that exam and be able to pass. You might be passionate about fitness, and so you have gathered a lot of information about health and fitness. Then you can be able to monetize that knowledge. As I said, you just need to be at least 1 step ahead of a bigger majority of people. The other thing, your career might be in banking, finance, you're an accountant, and many people come and ask you for advice when they want to deal with personal finances. How do I save? How do I create a budget? How do I prepare myself to retire well with enough money? How do I handle some of these things like debt? You can end up being a personal finance coach. All this can be just an indication that you are an expert when it comes to personal finance, and you can be able to set up your business as a personal finance coach. The whole idea about this online business is for you to be able to monetize your knowledge. And it doesn't matter what you're doing. It might be something that you're passionate about, you have really studied in that space, or it's something that it's an experience you went through. For example, you might have gone through a divorce, which is not a very good thing. And then you can be able to start teaching people who are getting into relationships on what they need to really look out for to avoid some of the problems like ending up in divorce. You might be good in parenting. Start monetizing that knowledge. So the whole idea here is to find an area that you have a lot of knowledge in, then package it, put it online, and be able to get people who are interested in that, and you monetize your knowledge. That is the first online business model. Now, the second one would be if you already have an existing business, a physical business, a brick and mortar kind of business, then you can be able to use the same skills that you learned on how to set up an online business and start selling more of your products and services online. Think about if you have a restaurant where people are actually walking into the restaurant. You can engage with people online and they might start ordering or even come and check out your physical business. It doesn't matter what you're selling. It might be products like shoes, clothes, cars, you name it. It might be services like accounting services. It might be some professional services. You might be a lawyer that you already have a practice, but you can be able to get more clients online. So think about an existing business and how you can expand it to get more clients online. And now the third way, which is the simplest, think about the number 1 skill. Actually, I'll not wait until the end of the video to tell you the number 1 skill that you need to be successful in running an online business. Here's the skill: being able to convert total strangers that you meet online to paying clients, there is a whole proven process that you can go through to take a total stranger to pay for your goods and services. So if you have that skill, then that way you can be able to set up an online business is approach someone who already has a physical business. And you can start with the low-hanging fruits. It might be your parents, it might be your brother, it might be your uncle, your aunt, your neighbor who has a business. Then you propose to them, if I bring you clients from my own efforts running an online campaign, then you give me a commission or a percentage of each and every sale. So the owner of the business is not putting any money down. You are executing the skills that you have learned, and then you're able to bring in the client. So the skills on how you can be able to bring this total stranger will follow a certain process. The first one would be content, creating valuable content that is meant to help solve the problems and challenges that your ideal client is facing. Then you can be able to nurture them to a point where you present them with an offer and they are willing to buy because you have presented yourself as someone who is interested in helping them, and you have already provided help through the kind of content that you have been creating using AI tools like kazili.ai.com. And once you do that, it becomes easy for them to buy without any hesitation because they know you are an expert in that space. With that skill, it becomes easy for you to either set up an online business as an expert, or expanding a physical business online, or selling those services as not just a digital marketer, but someone who is able to convert strangers into paying clients. If you would want to get started, I have prepared a free social media checklist such that it will make each and every post that you put in any of the social media platforms count and bring you paying